Samsung could be preparing to reveal its first-ever extended reality XR headset, codenamed Project Muhan, at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event. If the rumors are accurate, we might get a sneak peek through teaser videos or even prototype demonstrations of this exciting new device. Initially announced in December 2024, Project Muhan is Samsung's ambitious answer to the Apple Vision Pro. The headset promises some cutting-edge features, including multimodal input, high-resolution displays, and pass-through capabilities that allow users to remain aware of their surroundings while engaging with virtual content. Project Muhan is also expected to feature advanced pancake lenses, similar to those used in the Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro. These lenses are known for their sharp visuals, although early testers suggest they might not yet match the best in the market. Even so, the overall experience is expected to be highly immersive. What makes this device truly unique is its operating system, Android XR, a specialized OS developed in partnership with Google and Qualcomm. This integration with Google's ecosystem could unlock innovative features like gesture-based navigation, immersive Google Maps, and real-time text translation, all directly within your field of view. The AI-powered capabilities of Project Muhan are another major highlight. With memory retention and real-time environmental awareness, the headset can offer personalized interactions, whether you're exploring virtual worlds or managing tasks in the real world. Samsung's venture into XR also signals a serious attempt to compete in this evolving space. While the company experimented with VR through the Gear VR back in 2015, Project Muhan is a much more ambitious entry into the extended reality market, which includes AR, VR, and MR technologies. To rival devices like the Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro, Project Muhan is expected to feature advanced hand and eye tracking for intuitive controls. Imagine selecting apps with a pinch of your fingers or navigating menus using simple gestures. Samsung has also confirmed controller support, though further details remain under wraps. With Project Muhan, Samsung aims to prove it can not only compete in the XR space but also redefine the industry by combining Android XR and AI technologies. What are your thoughts? Can Samsung make a splash in the XR market? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. See you in the next video.